Welcome to Creating with Saskia. My name is Saskia Agaran, and today I'm going to show you something really, really amazing. If you are in coloring pages and coloring books like I am, this will be a treat for you. This video is for people who want to create coloring books about Black women, but they don't know how to write the prompts and all that. I have created a prompt book for you, okay? And you will love them. If you see this image, I know you love it already. And I'll show you other images that you can create. Look at this. These are from my prompt book, my prompt guide. I have it in six. There are 60 prompts in them, and they come out really, really well. I'm going to show you how to do it without copy and paste and all that. Okay, after you create them, you can come here in Canva and edit them. Let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, we are here in ChatGPT. Um, Let me show you. ChatGPT came out with a new version. It's 5.5. If you want to put yours on 5.5, I'll show you how to do that. Go to ChatGPT, go right here and go to configure. And then you can choose your model here, okay? You see the thinking 5.5 for complete questions. You see the check mark. I choose 5.5 today. So you see my model. I have the latest model right here, and you need to have ChatGPT Plus to use this. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to show you how to generate these images. You don't have to write prompts. No, no prompts. I have the prompts written for you, and I will also show you how to create these images without copy paste. We're not doing that anymore. With AI, we will do it different. Okay. The first thing you're going to do, you will order the bundle from my website. I will leave the link below for you. And after you order it, you will come in ChatGPT, change your version if you want to change your version to the latest one. Okay. And then you will go right here, click on the plus sign, add photos and files. You're going to add a file, the PDF file that you will get. Okay, and then I will find the PDF file right here. Let me see this. Yeah, this one here. I have my PDF file and it will upload. Okay, it's uploaded. Now I'm going to tell ChatGPT, please read this PDF file. You need to read it. I don't want to take any chance to go with it. Now it's telling me, oh, I read it. PDF file is by Auburn Black Girls Color Peach Prompt. Right? Okay, by me, and it includes 60 black and white prompts featured in two with different stuff. So that's it. It's organized in 6 parts. City life, children, no, 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 no. The prompts are already written in coloring page style. Okay. I also see the sensitivity, outfit, hairstyle, and stuff. Everything that's in there is written for you. You don't have to really have to worry about it. Okay, and now you can tell it, um, let's generate the images one by one. Okay, let's generate the images one by one, and it will give you. I think it will give you the first image. The first image, yeah, it will give you the first image. Let's go back here. You see here it's organized in 6 parts from 1 to 10. So prompt 1 is for image 1, prompt 2 for image, number and prompts, okay? So it gives us the first one, city life and chill vibes. Okay, it will give us this one. Let's check it out really quick. Okay, it gave us the first one. You see that? So cute. This is the first one. And now we're going to get this going. This is prompt 1. Now you go in here and write down prompt number 2 and hit enter, and it will design for you prompt number 2. Okay, okay, this is prompt number 2. Okay, this is the information that is written in prompt number 2. Okay, what do? You're not going to say prompt number 2. Come right here. You go to prompt here and you go, and you see copy. You copy it, okay? After you copy it, okay, it's copied, you paste it in here. And then always pay attention to the prompt here. And then you go here and you erase it above, put 3, prompt number 3. And then you hit it, and then it will read prompt number 3 in the PDF and it will generate it for you. So you don't have to copy and paste and copy and paste. We don't do that anymore. Like I said, you copy this. Okay, we have copied it already. Look, I'm going to paste it again. Copy, paste. From we see here number 3. That means this one will be number 4. So we will wait until it's generated, and then we will enter number 4, and it will generate 4 for us until you generate all the amount that you want. At some point with ChatGPT Plus, it will tell you you have generated your limit for for that time of the day. So you will have to wait and maybe 10 minutes or 20 minutes and then generate again. Okay, you have to know that because it will always do that. It doesn't need to. And with other people that I know, you see here, you will get, excuse me, you will get amazing images. And like I said, we have here number 3, we pasted number 4, and now we're going to enter it in the chat, number 4, and it will generate number 4 for us. And then you can come back here and paste it number, and you check here, we have number 4, so this will be number 5. So this is what you will do until ChatGPT tells you you reach your limit, you need to wait. Also, sometimes it will tell you, I cannot generate this image for you because it violates some things. Not all the time, but it might come up. So you tell it, can you rephrase the image, the prompt? Or what you can also do, you can just jump to the next from the next number and generate that once. After you're done, you can go into the PDF, copy that prompt, bring it in here, and edit it. Or you can ask ChatGPT to edit it for you. Or you can just leave it. Okay. Okay. Now we're doing 4, and this is how you're going to generate it. So you don't have to go copy and paste, copy and paste. Just give ChatGPT the PDF and tell it, read the instruction and tell me. It will read the instructions and it will tell you what it saw in the PDF, and then you will go from there. Like if it has numbers, you make sure that when you tell it the number, it refers to the exact number in the PDF. Like what you're gonna write, like I write prompt 4, prompt 5, because it 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 refers to the prompts like this. That's why I keep writing that so that it can sync with what's in the PDF. Okay, we have here prompt. We have here prompt 4. And let me tell you, all the ladies have different hairstyles and very modern hairstyle to 2025, 2026. Living their life, soft girl Sunday. You see that? They're living their life. So this is if you want to create a coloring book for black women, especially young black women, this is the prompt book for you. And I'm also showing you how to do it without wasting time. 5, and then we're going to enter 5. Pay attention, you have 5 here. When you paste, you remove the 2 and put 6, and you wait for 5 to be finished, and then you go to 6. Okay, after you do your thing like this, okay, you design you generated your images. You can download them. Go here and download them. We're going to use this one. Download them. You bring it into Canva. Okay. I'm here in Canva. Most coloring pages are 8.5 by 11. Okay, 8.5 by 11, you open your 8.5 by 11 page. My daughter showed me something. You can copy it from here, copy, and then go in here and paste it. Or you can wait and copy and download all in a zip file and then open all in your computer and bring them back here. So you can do it different ways. Okay, let's go really quick. Let's fix this. The way I fix this, you see that purple thing there, purple box? You're going to fit it in that purple box. You should fit it into that purple box. You can drag it down and then pull it up here. Okay, fit. You go to this and you add a stroke. Then it's ready for a coloring book, so you can create all of them. If you want to learn how to put a coloring book like this together, join my school community. I will leave the link below. So like I showed you, let's recap really fast back. Okay, you purchase the prompt book from my website. You come in ChatGPT, you can fix this, the configure, put it on the latest one, the latest model, okay? And then you will come in here and you will upload your PNG. After you upload your PNG, look at what we did. I told ChatGPT, please read this PDF file. Tell it to read it, or it will give you something you didn't ask for. Read this as a file. Say, okay, I read it. You see it, show it you here. This PDF, I read it. It has this, and that, and it says organized in 6 parts. Okay, but it's also said the prompts are like this: prompt number 1 until prompt number 16. Okay, and then I said, let's generate the images one by one. Yay! And it will give you the first image. And then you will start talking to it. Prompt number 2. Okay, and then it will design prompt number 2 for you. Okay, and then you will go and you will copy this, copy it, and then you will paste it in here. Let me show you. You will paste it in here, and then you will remove the 2, and you put 3. Okay, and after the 2 is generated, you will hit enter and it will do 3 for you. This number 3 corresponds with the number 3 in the PDF. Okay, okay, and you will do that. Paste it again, erase it. Number 4, number 5, and here we need to go to number 6. Okay, it will generate number 6 for you. Look at this, look at those girls, and they have different hairstyle. I made sure of that. This is the prompt book you want to create your coloring page, to create your coloring book, to sell on Etsy, on Gumroad, and also on Amazon KVP. If you want to learn how to put the book together, the coloring book together, and how to list it on Amazon without headache, join my school community. And I will teach you how to do that because I've written some books. Sorry about that. I've done some coloring books. Look at these. I've done some coloring books here. Amazon coloring books. So I'm pretty good at that. Okay. So if you want to publish your first coloring book, this is your way to it. I'll leave the link below for you. For the link to the prompt book, the prompt bundle. And now I show you here how to do it. Go and do it and come back and show me. Come back and tell me. Don't forget to join my school community. Thank you. Bye.